Good morning from almost Roatan, Honduras. Good morning. It is day 5 and we are here in beautiful Roatan, Honduras. So it is about 8 a.m. Ship's time, and we are up about to get breakfast. We do have a shore excursion booked today. We booked it through the Shore Excursioneer web page. It is, we're gonna go see sloths, monkeys, and go ATVing. And this is through Roatan Henry Tours. So I'll include that information in the description. But we're here to have fun today. It looks like it's gonna be a beautiful day. We're off to get breakfast. Chicken biscuits and a biscuit, bacon, egg, and cheese biscuit.
All right.
Thank you. All right, trying Big Shacks for breakfast this morning. I have the chicken biscuit with fries, and then the bacon, egg, and cheese. Looks like the bacon is kind of melted into the cheese. Some fruit, coffee, and that orange guava mango juice. Drink eggs and a biscuit. Well, hopefully it ain't deep going that way. But yeah, they say you take that right over to the beach. I think it's like $10 all you can ride all day or something. Or you can walk it.
I ain't walking nothing.
Alright, so we are here in Honduras. Just a heads up, if you book a shore excursion outside of the cruise line, you will have to walk all the way out the port, and there's this huge hill where you meet for your shore excursions. And so we didn't know that, and some of us have some limited mobility, so we had to catch a taxi up the hill. It's $2 per person, so definitely catch the taxi if you need to, because that hill is massive. Probably can't see it way down there. So just a heads up if you book an excursion outside of the cruise line. We didn't know that. We weren't prepared for that, but we made it work.
Would you like to sit in one of the van, meanwhile in there? Yeah, we didn't know.
All right, so our tour guide just clarified that this change just happened recently. Before they were able to pick up in the port. He said that on the way back, they can drop us off in the port. They just can't pick up. So just keep that in mind. Yes.
We're gonna have a great time today.
We're ready for it.
You're not gonna be very impressed today, guys. Just watch this step right here.
Okay.
Just take your time. Remember, we're on island time, which is mean easy and slow. No rushing, guys.
Right.
So what you guys are doing? ATV tour?
Yeah, and the sloths and monkeys.
Oh, nice, guys. I love it.
Okay. I trust your driving now. I don't know.
Sure, man.
I don't know who the hell you are.
This is my first time.
Hey, that's what I tell people where I work. They ask me how long I drive a bus. I said, this is my first day.
Okay, Wilson.
Okay.
I'm gonna take you guys all the way up to the east side of the island. That's where we have to go to get the ATV.
Okay.
So you guys have
that's what we're doing first?
Yes, ma'am.
All right.
So you guys haven't ride an ATV before?
Yes, we
I
have.
love it, guys.
Not
So
me.
we have it.
What we're gonna have a good time, guys. We're gonna do you guys off-road through the jungle.
Oh.
So you guys can see how some of the locals live here on the island.
Okay.
60 to 65,000 people living here on the island, guys. And into those 60 to 65,000 people, we got like 20,000 foreigners. And out of the foreigners, guys, we all mix it up like fruit punch. We got all different nations of people living here on the island.
That's a Heinz. That's a Heinz 57.
We call it football.
Oh, he said soccer. I said, who's a sucker? I was like, what? Soccer. Wait, I said, what about the soccer? Who's a sucker? Oh, soccer. Okay, gotcha.
That's what I'm gonna check you guys in.
I have to keep my bag.
Matthew.
Morning. All right, we're getting geared up. Helmet's a little small, but ready to go.
All right. You could hop on.
Ready, Drew? You want to hold the monkeys? The sloth?
You want to keep a distance, like a foot away from the cage, especially with the monkeys, because they like to grab your sunglasses or any loose item that you may have. Inside they behave friendly, but in the outside, if you go a little too close, they will steal your stuff. So you have to keep your distance.
Yeah.
Guys, follow me.
I just put my glass in my pocket.
I need to see.
I'm not getting robbed by a monkey.
By a monkey. Your pockets, Jordan?
Too much chapstick.
You took your chapstick.
Okay guys, welcome to the middle of the hangout. We will start off by hogging a sloth. So over here we have Jordana. She's a three-toed female sloth. Now to hold her, we will do the same as my mermaid. We will place one hand on top of the other, and we will open our elbows, and we practically will be a tree for her. And when it's your turn, guys, if you have a bag, your ship card, or sunglasses in front of you, you want to set them on the side so they don't be in their way. And another thing, guys, that is very important, sloths, they are not like dogs and cats that like to be patted, so we will try not to pat them.
All right, Jordan's going first.
This is Sid from Ice Age. Guys, over here we have Sid from Ice Age. Same guy from the movie. He's a male. Pretty easy to know which one is male and female. The male has the brown stripe in the back.
Let's see if he turns his head.
Just like you, Jordan.
Let's see if he turns his head this way. Oh, look at him. Look at that face. Oh, let me get it from the side. Oh, my God. Look at he's looking at you. That is the cutest. Oh, my gosh. It's so cute. Hi there. Hello, baby. Hey there, Mr. Sloth. She's so cute.
Right here. Right your foot.
Now this is the person that didn't want to hold no sloths or monkeys.
Right.
Yeah. She didn't want to do this excursion, but she's the first to volunteer. Let's see.
Step to the side, come a little closer, ma'am. This is Georgiana.
Georgiana. Hi, Georgiana. Look at Georgiana. Hi, Georgiana. Oh. Georgiana's not on the pictures.
Right.
I got a good one there.
You got a good one?
Uh-huh.
One thing I can promise you about this sloth guy is that they won't poop on you. They have
Here we go.
digestion and they only use the bathroom once or twice a week.
Oh God, I wish I was like that.
Look at Georgie. Oh, that's cute.
I wasn't that worried about it. It's good to know.
Come a little closer, Drew.
You ready? Can't be scared.
Hands in the back.
Hold it. Can't be scared.
And this is Georgiana.
Hi,
Two snacks
Georgiana.
over here.
Look, Georgiana. You hold the sloth. Oh, look this way. Hi. Hi, Georgiana. How does it feel, Drew? Yeah?
You want to take one out? No?
Aww.
Any question, guys, that may come up about this sloth?
Feels like a baby, huh?
Yeah, I'll just
How old are they? How old are they?
Sid is about 12. He was one of the first on the rescue in Jordana. In her teen years, she's about 6.
Do you still have Trisha?
Yeah, she's still here.
Oh, good.
She's right now. Oh, so you've been
My
here
friend
before.
told me to say hi to Patricia.
Sorry that you know. Thank you for the hug. Step back, please, and just come a little closer.
Is that fun? Kind of cool, huh? Looks like you're strange people.
Your name?
Raquel?
Raquel, please stand next to the gentleman.
Yes. Here, Andrew.
I wanted to try to
What's this one's name?
Sid.
Sid. Hi, Sid.
Like the guy from ISIS camp right there. The higher right there. Sorry.
Hi, Sid.
You can release. Please step back. Come a little closer. There we go.
Aw, hi, Sid.
Sloths are like my spirit animals.
Hi there.
I think you need a sloth.
Hi. Uh-oh, he's moving his... Ooh, ooh. Ah!
Sorry. He's moving a
Hi,
little.
Sid.
Can you come a little closer to me? I think he sees the pole and he wants to play away the time.
Ooh.
Who wants to hold?
Hi, Sid.
Yeah.
Mary?
So cute. Thought he was going for my hair. You are too cute, Sid. This one's slower than the other one, than Georgiana. Oh, he's moving again. He's moving again. He's moving again. He's moving again. He's moving
Oh,
again.
he's moving again. Okay. You ready?
Ain't going nowhere.
Hi. Hi there.
You want to hold him, Miss?
Hi there, Sid.
You want to hold him?
Aww.
So everyone had a chance to hold the sloth?
Oh gosh.
Okay,
So
great.
cute. All right, I'm good now. Thank you.
The only item that we can take inside is our device, or camera, or phone. Any loose item like hats, sunglasses, big earrings, and bags, we want to set them up in the shell right there, just like in the airport.
Put the backpack over there. Oh, he's cleaning.
the white-faced capuchin monkey. That's Mike, and that's Jaguar. That's Dad and Baby. So as we go in, they will jump all over you. Something the monkeys don't like is to be patted or grabbed, just like the sloth. So the moment you have a monkey on your shoulder, yeah, you're not allowed to grab them or pat them. It's not natural to them. And if you want some nice photos, you have to be quick because they move really fast. They'll be moving from person to person really fast. So yeah, take your selfie or your family member can take your photo. And another thing, guys, they don't like a lot of noise. So we will try to keep it calm and not make a lot of noises. Guys, as we go in, let's make a circle in the edge of the cage. Let's do it, guys.
Ready, Drew? Don't be scared. Woo. Hi. Oh, he's in my camera. He said he wants a selfie.
Take your photo.
Hi.
So that's Michael right there.
Oh, he's getting your hair, Jordan. Oh, that's nice. I got it. Oh. Oh, he wants your headband.
So how I mentioned, guys, this is Michael and that's Jaguar right there. Michael? Huh, Papa? Yeah, he likes your body smell. So guys, these are two of the...
Look, Cheryl.
Help me.
They like you, Jordan.
He's checking in your pockets.
Michael?
Was he checking the pockets? Look.
So guys, these are two of the 13 white-faced monkeys that are here in the property.
And she
Now you
didn't
can
do it.
see
They
they're
like you,
very
Jordan.
sociable.
But his tail's around
You're
his head.
afraid?
Why did he help me?
Yeah, if she's afraid, it's better to be out because they can sense when you're afraid. Yeah, so keep your hands down like this and just relax. Yeah.
Oh, wait, I'll show you when we get on. Yeah, I'll show you when we get on. Get a selfie now, Cheryl. Get a selfie now.
He likes my phone. I did. Look at the monkey. When I saw the
So they are all over you. I just give me a hairdo. Give me a
Michael, no, Michael.
Is he one of your pockets, Jordan?
It's too much chapstick.
He took your chapstick.
Oh my gosh.
Look, here's his chapstick. That is funny.
It's got somebody.
He went right in your pocket.
I forgot I had chapstick.
Oh, that is funny.
I forgot I had chapstick.
That's what he does. That's why we want to leave everything out because they're private.
I was like, this is my pocket. Oh, it's my chapstick.
Oh, sure. Yeah, that's what we do, guys. That's why we leave everything out.
He's trying to figure it out. That is funny.
All their earrings.
Yeah, I'm like, what did you do with my pocket? Oh, my chapstick.
They opened it. They opened it.
Oh no.
Look, he's sniffing
He
it.
opened his pocket and took it out.
Michael.
Give it back, Michael.
Give it back. Michael, give it
J-Wow.
back.
Oh my God.
Okay, we will
I gotta
interact
go.
with J-Wow.
That is funny. He's trying to figure it out. Look, he got some of it. He put it on his lips.
There you go, step right on it.
Look, Drew.
Bueno, entonces echando un vistazo ahí. Él tiene un chapstick ahorita. And guys, the white-faced capuchin monkeys are not indigenous to the island, but to the mainland of Honduras. So they were rescued back in
He's eating your
2010.
chapstick. That is hilarious. He's trying to get something off Caitlin. Look, he pulled it back.
He loves your camera.
Look.
He loves that thing on camera.
Jordan, he's coming back for you. Oh, he banged you upside the head. Because he took it for you like he don't
you don't stick your arm out when they come to you? I'm so jealous.
Yeah, they do that. And they're very over possessive. If I tried to take it from him, he will.
He gave it back. He gave it back.
That is
If I
funny.
stick my arm out, will he climb on me?
That's funny. It's right there, dude. He gave it back. He fucking got to give it back to you. He didn't like it.
He's like, I don't want that. Corn.
That is funny.
I like look that guy's my food I got over here.
Wait,
And Jay, wow, she's about a year old.
They're so cute.
He is mad about that.
Yeah, their lifespan is 12 years in the forest and 30 years in captivity.
Oh my god.
So if you own one as pet, they can stick with you for a long time.
Hi.
You got now.
Yeah, that's my camera. Hi.
You had a question?
Hi.
He's
You all in my camera.
Yeah,
I can't wait to get that.
Yeah, these
all
are
in my
named
camera.
after the Jersey Shore TV show.
Hi, little monkey. Get Andrew. Woo.
I want it.
They like you, sure.
That's funny though. He brought Jordan back to
And I got it on video.
chapstick. Did you? Brought you back to chapstick and then bang on top of your head like.
You sure did.
what-
Bang bang.
Can I get another on my head?
Now you got to pay $5 for it on the ship.
Can I get one 5 minutes?
And guys, the monkeys are diurnal. They only search for food in the day. At night, they will sleep the whole night. And in the wild, they feed in plants and also in animals. So they hunt frogs, lizards, bird eggs.
How big do they get?
That's the biggest.
Michael?
Michael, yeah. He's an
For
adult,
you, Cheryl. Oh, no game for Caitlin.
8 years old. But they can
Oh,
live
that's
out to
cute.
30 years.
He loves her. Oh, he's gonna take the panda. Oh, he wants the panda. He's like, I want to pet it for you.
I want him to get on top of my head. I don't think I got one
Hey,
yet.
well,
Let's see. He snatched it fast.
that Michael is
Oh, hi.
just want
Because
to
he's mad because he didn't had the chapstick and it wasn't good, so
Yeah,
he
he
brought
said
it back.
he's gonna have it.
Yeah, he's mad.
Flavor of chapstick.
Right. Michael's mad.
Oh,
Okay, guys.
I know they
I know you can
What are you doing?
That's cute. I like that.
Are you ready?
Oh, he coming back, Jordan. Redemption.
Pissed Michael.
He's going in your pockets again? Where's he?
Yep. He's
He's going back in Jordan's
I
pocket.
mean, it's empty, so.
Look at that.
I'm glad it's
He
empty
said he
now.
got good stuff in his. That is hilarious.
Michael?
Michael said he wants to get whatever he. Oh, he's looking at Andrew's pockets now. Oh, he's a little thief. Don't come for mine.
Michael? Be nice, Michael.
Michael likes you. Look. He said, I don't want this corn. Look, he dropped it straight down.
Oh, he threw away the phone?
He said he don't want
Moment,
that.
guys.
Bye, monkey.
He liked to stay when we were going.
He's gonna eat the corn.
Excuse me a little bit. Michael? I'm for the coconut.
Bye, Michael.
I head out, guys.
That was fun. It went back. It went back. He said, I'm gonna have to figure out what else he got in there. Let me see when he come down.
Guys, over here we will keep a distance because these are bigger monkeys.
Yeah, this time it is.
Yeah, it's scarier for us.
Mama, I don't think I want to.
So guys, we will just keep a distance here because they have
come over
long
this way.
arms and they can drop. But yeah, with these guys, we will not eat around.
Are you gonna try to take our stuff?
You getting in there with the bird? Okay. I don't usually like birds, but I think I'm gonna give it a try today.
Give a little pinch now and then.
You going in there, Drew? Okay. Birds, but I'm gonna. You only live once. Like, let's get in there with them. You don't trust them?
I don't do birds.
Yeah, I don't either, but I'm gonna get in there. Here we go.
Miami, Ohio. Sure, it's a Miami, Ohio. Miami.
wants to hold it first?
I do.
Can I have your left arm? And this is Jack right here. So guys,
Here,
how
take
I
my camera.
mentioned, let's
Take
keep a
pictures.
distance, a photo
No,
away
take my
from the
phone.
board.
Take pictures. My phone's in my hand. My phone is right there.
From the wall also.
That one was nice.
Get a picture. Look.
You want to do it? Okay, you'll do it next.
They typically mate for life, so it was Jack and Rose. Rose is the other red macaw, but he left Rose for Fiona. He was unfaithful and had all the babies.
You want to go? You want to go, Drew?
Sure. You let me know when you're ready. Hand like this.
Oh, there's one back there.
So guys, you can definitely photo away. Yeah, they're heavy. They weigh about 4 kilograms. Left arm, please.
Drew, watch that one. Watch that one. You can keep a foot away from that one. Just had a baby. Move away, Drew.
Yeah.
You want to go, Drew? Oh.
Come a little closer towards me.
Don't be scared. Look this way, Drew. Smile.
And this is Jack. Happy bird.
All right.
Hey, Jack. Wants
All right, I'm ready to go now. You ready to get out?
Let me know when you're ready.
Stop the bike.
A great time here in the hangout.
Yes, we did.
Thank you.
Happy to hear that. You're very welcome. The invitation is extended, guys, for you to come again next time in the future.